as my dad was in the hospital, it was back in April, and it was actually my parents' anniversary that day. And we were all busy with work and the duties of life. And my mom was at home alone. And in the back of my mind, I knew it was their anniversary. And out of the blue, my mom got a phone call. And it was a friend of hers. And I may get some of the details wrong here, so please forgive me if I do, but I believe she had been planning to go to a prayer meeting that day at her church, but she got an unction in her spirit to phone my mom. And so she did, and as they were chatting, my mom mentioned that it was hers and my dad's anniversary that day. And so immediately, her friend set aside all the rest of her plans and said, I'm going to take you to the hospital today. And so she came and took my mom there, and they got to spend their last anniversary together. And then it was a few weeks later, about a week or so before my dad passed away, our same friend decided she wanted to take my mom to the hospital again. And so she did. And while they were there visiting, our friend Duavi was singing some songs, some hymns in Finnish for my dad. And during one of the hymns, my dad had an open vision of heaven, and he told my mom. And after that, my dad was so ready to go home to be with the Lord after seeing the open vision of heaven. And so at this time, I'd like to invite our friend Tuovi Jokinen to come and sing that same song for us.
Sydämellä Jeesuksen olla on niin suloinen, on niin ihmeen rauhaisa, niin kuin unta ihanaa. Kahden kanssa Jeesuksen olla on niin suloinen, turvallista hiljaista, siipiensä suojassa. Niin kuin äiti helmassaan vaali piedokaisiaan, niin myös poika Jumalan hoitaa tainta taivaan. Hiljaa varo sydän vain, turvaa yksin ääneen ain. Älä mistään huolehdi, Jeesus on sun kanssasi. Sinun koko voimallaan, iäisessä armossaan, sinun iäti. Kiitos, kiitos Herrani.
Niin, Veikko-veli on nyt siellä Jeesuksen kanssa, niin kuin yhdessä laulussa sanotaan, että hänet haavoistansa tunnen, jotka tähteni Kolkatalla sain. Ja hänet ensimmäiseksi haluan nähdä. Nyt Veikko on siellä Jeesuksen kanssa. Mutta ei Jeesus ole jättänyt myöskään Hilkkaa eikä perhettä, vaan hän myös meidän kanssa. Jeesus siunaa.